Kasi, unang-una sa lahat, happy birthday. God bless you. Lagi mo na lang uunahin ng Diyos sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Even if you have a decision in your life, always ask God first. Kasi nandiyan siya. He will never na pababayaan ka. Basta lahat ng mga decision in life, always place God before. Keep up the good work sa pag-aaral mo. Ayos yan. God bless you. We love you. Mua. Chup.
Anak, wala namang ako gusto kundi magandang buhay para sa'yo. Gusto ko lang, lagi kang masaya, magawa mo yung lahat ng gusto mong gawin, matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Yun lang, anak. Masaya na ako ng ganun.
Maligayang bati, tugon. Maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang, Cassandra.
I know what you mean. You don't fuck with randoms. I got everything but real love. I got in my head. I bet you could get me back out. Or you could leave me there, 'cause we just love to dream. My fantasy. When you woke up, oh baby, it's just me. I don't believe what I just lost.
Cassandra, yung kuya mo to, no? Pogi. Ngayon na 18 ka na, tuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo. Tuloy mo mali yung dreams mo. Alam ko na in the future, makukuha mo yan. Always stay confident. Always stay proud. Dahil alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo to.
Wonder, never know what it could hold. All the sapphire emerald gold. The story.
Happy 18th birthday, Sandra! We love you!
Happy 18th birthday, Sandra! We love you!
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Cassandra.
I wish you a wonderful debut. Good luck to your journey ahead of you.
Happy birthday, Cassie. Wishing you a wonderful day filled of love and happiness.